Functions. So a function is a relation that assigns exactly one output value for each input value. What that really means is that for every x value or input, we have one and only one, or exactly one, output. So for every x, we have exactly one y value. Here, we have our x values under our x column in our table. You see 2, and then 2 again. For this to be a function, 2, our input, or our x value, can only have one y value, or one output. And here that output is 3. It only has that one output. If a relation is not a function, then our x values do not have exactly one y value. So again, we have 2 x values that have the value 2, but this x value, 2, is assigned to the y value 3. And then we have another 2 x value, and that x value is assigned to a y value of -2. And we can't have that. We only want each y to have one, or each x to have exactly one y. Let's look at this. So, is this a function? Our x values are 5, -6, 5, -2, -1. Well, we see an x value that appears twice, and that's 5. This is only a function if each x value is assigned to exactly one y value. But here, 5 is assigned to -5 and to 3. And we cannot have that. That means that our x value 5 is assigned to more than one y value. So no, it's not a function. What about this? The only x value that shows up twice is -1, so we need to check and see if -1 is assigned to more than one y value, and it is. -1 is assigned to 4 and to 6, so it's not a function. Our third table, we have 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Well, we don't even have repeating x values. So from our table, we can see that each x value listed has exactly one y value. Yes, it is a function. Here, we have 7, x value of 7 appearing twice. Is 7 assigned to only one y value? Well, our first 7 has a y value of 8. Our second 7 has a y value of 8. So yes, it passes the test. Our x value 7 is assigned to only one y value, which here happens to be 8. So yes, this is a function. What if we're given a list of ordered pairs? We know our x values are -5, -4, -5, and 3. Does -5 belong to more than one y value? Well, yes, it does, because in our first ordered pair, -5 has a y value of -2. And in our third ordered pair, -5 has a y value of -4. So this is not a function. We can't have that. We don't want x to have two y's.